Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing without a website, and I'm going to be going over the 4 methods that work right now. So let's jump in real quick to the video. But first, if you don't have a funnel builder software in your business, then you're leaving money on the table. If you do have a funnel builder, it's most likely too expensive for what you get, and you have probably had moments where you have thought about canceling because of the cost. This happened to me when I was using one that cost $300 per month and still didn't do everything I needed. I finally found the perfect funnel builder that no one knows about. It allows me to do whatever I want inside the software. I can build membership sites, sales pages, squeeze pages, upsell pages, downsell pages, thank you pages, and anything else I need. It has payment processors built in, redirect any URL, host all my files on Amazon servers, and much more. Oh, and the pure beauty of this, and that I almost laugh at others that have to pay $300 per month for theirs, I only pay $25 per month for my funnel builder. Click the first link in the resources section in the description to find out more about my favorite tool I use daily in my affiliate marketing business. Now let's get into today's video. So number 1 is Pinterest affiliate pages or Pinterest affiliate marketing. So I haven't talked about this on this channel before, but Pinterest, there's actually a lot of buyer intent on Pinterest. And what you would do in this method is obviously create an account if you don't have an account on Pinterest. Now choose a niche. Now you want to be specific about your niche. I would recommend even niching down even further so you have more of a chance of ranking quickly on Pinterest. And with this niche, try to stick with it, stay on topic with the niche, right? So if you're talking about woodworking, don't go off and actually start talking about houses or building houses or how to build certain things. Actually, just stick with the specific woodworking type things that you would build in your garage if you had a workshop and you were building smaller things because there's different niches. Are you building really big things with your woodworking niche, or are you building more, smaller things that you can build in your garage? That would be an example of being in the same niche, but then even niching down further. So find 3 to 5 affiliate programs within that niche. Now you can go in to ClickBank or Digistore24. You can go to ShareASale. You can go to Warrior Plus. You can go to JVZoo. You can go to so many different places to get good products. Do your due diligence, make sure they're good products, and then make a list of these. Now, you could also use the Amazon affiliate program as well. Just make sure that there is enough to keep you going. You want to be able to have a lot of images, especially this is where Amazon will work well, or even Etsy. Join the Etsy affiliate program, and you'd be able to share so many different images. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be posting 5 to 10 pins per day. And when you do that, you're going to go ahead and put in the description, you're going to put in an affiliate link. And Pinterest does allow affiliate links. So there's just a right way to do it. Make sure you have quality pins, quality boards, and have a really nice quality account. And you also don't want to go out and spam, but you do want to place your affiliate links. And so when people see, and then you want to also have good headlines, you can create a lot of your pins. Now grab the image from the affiliate program and then go into Canva and select the Pinterest template, and then you can put text on there and actually make some really high quality pins. So that's the way to do it. Pinterest affiliate pages is a really, really good one. So if you're not on Pinterest, go ahead and try that out. So let's go into our number 2 method, create a Facebook group around a small niche. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating a Facebook group. Again, remember to niche down. That's where all this is going to work best. You're going to have more of a chance of getting traction to your offers when you niche down and stick with it. So you're going to post valuable, engaging content on your new group that you just created. And it may seem like you're not getting any engagement or you may go a few days without anything happening, but what's going to happen in the background is the more you publish good content on your group, Facebook's actually going to pick it up, kind of like a search engine, and it's actually going to start promoting your group to more people that would be interested in. They're going to start asking to join the group. You can actually have it on the way that they can actually auto join, or you can get it to where you have to approve them. Just depends. I'd maybe set it to where you have to approve people first. And then when it starts getting to where you're just getting too many people and you're spending too much time on approvals, then maybe go to an auto approval method. And then make sure at the very top of your group, once it starts going, have a pinned post. In this pinned post, you're going to have a quality affiliate link to whatever your business is, whatever your offer is. So people, when they join the group, can actually go up there and see what you're up to, see what the group creator is up to, and if the opportunity makes sense for them. So Facebook groups is still in 2021 working well for many people. So we're going to get into number 3, create a YouTube channel. Now, create a faceless YouTube channel. Now, you can use whiteboard animation videos. You can go to Fiverr and hire someone on Fiverr, or you can go to VideoScribe. And I think it's about $30 a month, and you could create unlimited videos with VideoScribe and doing it yourself. Now, you can drive massive free traffic with this method from YouTube, and you're going to place an affiliate link in each description of every video that you put out. Now, I talk a lot about YouTube on this channel because YouTube is my most successful method for affiliate marketing. This is not the only channel I have right now. I actually have about 15 YouTube channels, believe it or not, but I'm actively working on about 3 or 4 YouTube channels on a weekly basis, growing all of them together, and they all have to do with affiliate marketing in different niches, and this works wonders. So this wasn't in any kind of specific order, but if I had to choose one out of the 4 that is my favorite, it's definitely, I'm a little biased, it's going to be YouTube. So if you're not on YouTube, you definitely need to start working on YouTube, because it will take a little bit of time in the beginning. And even what I say is to make sure you publish your first 30 videos, whether that takes you a month, 2 months, 3 months. Don't give up on YouTube until you post at least 30 videos to see, because within those 30 videos, more chances are that you're going to have 1 or 2 video topics that you posted that had a significant amount of more views and subscribers and watch time than the other videos. And that's going to tell you what you should stick with on your channel. And then you start making more content like that. And then you can start growing your channel faster. And then just make sure in every video, you're going to put a affiliate link in your description. And that is going to allow people to click on that and go to the affiliate link, the product that you're trying to sell or the program that you're trying to sell. And then you're going to get a certain percentage. It is a numbers game. A certain percentage of people will purchase. So it's really, really awesome. So YouTube, definitely get going on YouTube. So number 4 is engage with Facebook groups. We're back to Facebook because Facebook is still very powerful. Now, of course, there's a lot of other methods. We could talk about Instagram and Twitter and Snapchat and TikTok and a lot of other methods. But right now, Facebook is still working for so many people. So what you're going to do is this is going to allow you, this is a little different than the creating your own Facebook group. I recommend doing both. Create a Facebook group and publish good content on that daily. You're going to get members to come in and see what you're up to. And then anytime you want to blast out an offer or something like that, you can on your Facebook group. In this case, with engaging with Facebook groups, you're going to sign up, go and find Facebook groups. You're going to ask to join, and then you're going to just start conversations. You're going to publish things. You're going to respond to people, but with your knowledge. And people are going to start seeing that, oh, this person actually is cool. They're nice. They actually are engaging, and they offer really good content, and they're answering a lot of questions, and they haven't asked for anything. They're not salesy. This is pretty cool. And pretty soon you're going to be meeting real people, and you're going to make real connections and have opportunities to share your business or affiliate link. And you can actually, once you kind of hook up, you'll actually be on a direct message with somebody, and then that's when you can actually share your opportunity with them when the opportunity is right. So this isn't about spamming people on Messenger. That strategy actually doesn't work, and it will give you a chance to get reported as a spammer, and you could even lose your Facebook account. So don't do that. But this can be very powerful. And if you combine the engaging in Facebook groups with creating your own Facebook group, then that's very powerful. And imagine if you put all 4 of these to practice: your Pinterest and your Facebook groups and your YouTube channels. Put all that together and you work on that on a daily basis and a weekly basis. Imagine in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months from now where your business would be if you actually took action on this right now. All right, so just in a conclusion, so all of these methods require hard work. Affiliate marketing requires work and consistency. There are no shortcuts, and you guys should know that. There's no shortcuts. If there was, everyone would be making 6 figures online. It just doesn't work like that. You do have to put in the time, and until you actually make the decision to take action and start on one of these methods, you could pick one of these and just start and master one of them and then move on to the next, right? Strategies. So just start on Pinterest, or just start on YouTube, or just do Facebook and master that for a couple months till you're actually getting some traction, made some sales. Then you can move on to the next one. But you're not going to be able to just push a button. It doesn't work like that. You can't push a button and make sales. The closest that you can get to that is paid advertising, and you're going to need hundreds or thousands of dollars in order to test which ads work. And guess what? When you finally find a winning ad when it comes to paid advertising with affiliate marketing, that does not last forever. It will sometimes the life of once you find a successful, profitable ad and a successful, profitable strategy to get traffic, it doesn't last forever. Sometimes it lasts for days, sometimes weeks, and maybe even a month, but eventually it will burn out. The offer will burn out, and you will have to redo that again. So that's why I focus on all these organic free traffic methods. So I don't have nothing to lose. I just have time, and I have time to put in. I'm willing to put the time in, and I'm seeing a lot of good results from free traffic, making almost $10,000 a month from just free traffic in my business. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how to do each one of these methods, right? So that'd be 4 videos. It'd be 4 videos. If you want me to make a case study or tutorial on this, then what I need you to do is leave a comment below if you do. So leave a comment and say, hey, please do a tutorial on the 4 methods. Thanks. Something like that. Just say, yes, tutorial on the methods. If I get enough comments, and please hit that like button too, it will really help out. If I get enough likes and comments on this video, then I will make a tutorial for each one of those methods I showed in this video. So that just about wraps it up. Hit that like button. Remember to comment if you want the tutorial, and I will see you in my next video.